Morning mist over the mountain. The sun is rising again, and my little girl is growing. Time, you sabiran hari tu mas. I wish I could hold you close before another morning comes. School bag on your shoulder, you walk out into the morning light. Your little smile says goodbye as you disappear from my sight.
I stand and watch you walking down that familiar village road, and something inside my heart says, where did all the years just go?
Yesterday you were my little girl, running barefoot by my side.
Today you carry your own dreams,
and you're learning how to fly.
I thank God for every moment, every laugh and every tear. But sometimes I wish my daughter
I could keep those moments here.
You're slipping through my fingers
Every day, every night.
I try to hold each moment
before it disappears from sight.
You're slipping through my fingers,
And I wonder what you see.
I think I'm getting close to you.
But you're becoming who you're meant to be. Oh, my daughter,
You woke up outdoor, and time keeps moving on
you're slipping through my fingers
all the time.
Early morning at the table, 2 cups and a little food. Your eyes are still half sleeping, but your smile can change my mood.
We talk about tomorrow, we dream about the road, places I said we'd travel, stories I promised I would show.
Some dreams we made together, some dreams we left behind.
Life became so busy,
And we lost a little time. But if I could start again, I'd slow the whole world down
I'd sit beside you longer.
and listen to every sound.
You're slipping through my fingers,
Every day, every night.
I try to hold each moment
Before it disappears from sight.
You're slipping through my fingers,
And I wonder what's inside your heart.
every time I think I know you.
You grow and move another step apart. But I will always see you,
That little girl I knew,
walking through the morning mist, with dreams waiting there for you. Sometimes I wish
I could freeze the morning,
freeze your laughter,
freeze your little footsteps.
freeze the days when you needed my hand.
But time doesn't listen,
Time doesn't stop,
so I will let you grow, I will let you go.
but wherever you travel,
Wherever your dreams may lead,
you will always be my daughter.
Bikini belong me, you know can't por it. Papa e mi stavi et long bell belong you. Maski you go long way,
Maski you walk about long na pelaro.
mi sabi a mountain.
You must follow your dream,
You must walk your own road.
wherever that road may lead.
And when you look behind you,
When the road becomes too long,
remember my daughter.
Papa, let me stop here.
Papa, I liking you all the time.
Ooh, my daughter.
Time is running,
Clouds are moving.
morning comes and morning goes.
You walk about go now.
Gonna behind him, dream and belong you.
Me like him, you
All the time,
all time,
all the time. Ooh, you're slipping through my fingers,
but never
from my